What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for my newbie CPA marketers out here. So I know a lot of you guys are probably having a hard time making your first dollar. So this is going to be the easiest of the easiest methods that you can do, because you're not going to be worried about people filling out a form. You're not going to be worried about people putting in their email. You're not going to be worried about people downloading an app. You're not going to be worried about people putting out their card to pay for a trial. You're not going to worry about any of that. The only thing you're going to focus on is getting clicks. That's it. That is the entire process for this right here. So as you guys can see right here, right, for this particular offer, you will get 20 cents for every single click that someone does. So let's say you go over to, well, now we're not talking about Facebook ads in this video, but let's just say you go over to Facebook and you get your cost per click to like 10 cents. Done. You're 2xing immediately just off getting the click. So that's the whole thing that you got to focus on with this method, rather than simply trying to optimize everything for them to fill out a form and all that. The only thing you need to worry about is just getting clicks. So this is why it's super easy, because I mean, there's pretty much nothing before this stage right here. And a lot of offers. I mean, a lot of networks don't have any pay-per-click offers. It's just simply, pay-per-lead is like at the bare minimum. So yeah, literally 20 cents every single time somebody just goes to this page right here and clicks any button. So any button on this entire landing page, anybody clicks, you instantly get paid. Not bad at all. And of course, this is a no shave network, so you actually get every single one of your conversions, rather than, a lot of networks where you guys know how I go if you've been doing this for any length of time. But what I recommend that you do is you come over here to Craigslist. Now, first things first, go watch the video I made on how to not get your Craigslist ads flagged. That's going to be very important, because if you come over here and you just throw up, anything, you're probably going to get flagged. You won't lose any money, because obviously they'll refund you, because they didn't, you paid to put an ad up on here, and they didn't approve your ad, so they'll refund you. But you shouldn't even try to go through any of that. Watch that video first, so I make sure everything gets good and done up front, so that way you don't have to keep worrying about it at all. And let's say you get something low. Like, let's say you get up like 10 ads or whatever for the entire month. That's it. That's the only thing you do. And let's say for those 10 ads you get, I don't know, let's say something low, something's extremely low, like 1,500 clicks for 10 ads, right? You're going to spend anywhere from like 50 to $100, on ads. So let's just say 100, because, just for the sake of the video. So let's say you spend $100 on ads, right? And you get 1,500 clicks. That will be $300 right there. So you just 3x like that, right? Now you guys see what I'm saying. It's all about how many ads you get put up. Now, if you get 10 ads, you're going to get a lot more than 1,500 clicks. At least in my experience, I get way more than that. But again, you guys get the point. All you have to do is just focus on getting up ads, and that's it. And once you get one ad that's up and it's working, you can literally just duplicate that process over and over and over, and just keep posting it in different cities and stuff like that, and you're good to go. Now, if you want something where you don't have to fight at all, because there is going to be those people that don't listen when I say go watch the other video on how to not get flagged, and then complain about getting flagged when they refuse to watch a video to tell them how not to get flagged. If you don't even want to go through Craigslist, what you can also do is Bing. Now, Bing works great as well, because same exact thing with the Facebook. If you come over here, and you get some keywords going, that's obviously about the same niche as the offer, and you're able to get those clicks lower than what you're getting paid per click on the network, done. So if you're able to come over here and you get your cost per click under 20 cents, you're instantly in profit just like that. And of course, they do give you this $25 credit for free. And the best part about these as well is that you can just direct link it. You don't have to worry about creating a landing page or anything like you have to do with Craigslist. So this right here, you can literally just come over here, copy this link, and paste it directly into this right here, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it, y'all. This is a very simple method. If you don't know how to set up a Bing account, watch a video on it. If you don't know how to set up a Craigslist account, watch a video on it. Gotta go do a little bit of work, guys. do a little bit of research. If you don't know how to set up a Bing ad campaign or whatever, simply watch the video. There's literally thousands of them out there that will show you step by step all the basics of setting everything up, which forms to fill out, everything in between. But that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I will be showing you guys one very shortly here for one of these pay-per-click campaigns. So I'm actually going to be doing the one that's getting made right now. It's going to be a loan offer. So it's going to be pay-per-click as well. It's going to be a loan offer, and I'm going to show you guys that one with Bing and setting everything up here in the next video. But again, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.